Kindergarten, and welcome to another phonics lesson. Today we are going to put all of the learning of beginning, middle, and ending sound this week and play a CVC word game. Then we will play a lesson tap and write. We'll do some sentence practice and decide should the sentence have a period, a question mark, or an exclamation point. And your exit ticket is all about listen, tap, and write and sentence practice. Your teacher might pause the video now or later for you to go get your materials. We've been focusing on the beginning sound, the middle sound, and the ending sound. And now we're going to take all of those sounds together and we're going to blend them and make words. I'm going to show you a picture. I'll tell you what the picture is, and then you're going to see 3 answer choices. You need to decide which word is spelled correctly to match the picture. Your teacher might have you get to something to write on and something to write it with to help you check the spelling. So here we go. The first picture is a bag. Bag. How do we spell bag? Your teacher's going to pause the video. Bag. Let's tap it out. B-a-g. I hear b at the beginning. So if I look at my answer choice C, that begins with P, and so it can't be that because P makes the P. And then I have D, which makes the D. We're looking for B. It can't be that, so it must be this word. Is this the word you wrote? Let's see. Great. Next picture. This is a picture of a sun. Sun. Let's tap it out. Sun. Point to the word on the screen that matches the word that you wrote. B. Sun. Next word. This is a cat. Cat. Now remember, is it K or C? Cat. Cat. When we're hearing a word with a k at the beginning, we need to go to the middle sound, and we hear a. And we learned a rule that when we hear a, we use C. So it can't be A, and it can't be this choice because the middle sound is U. So it's C-A-T. Does your word match this? We're right. Dog. Dog. Again, we hear D at the beginning, A, which is O, and then G. Dog. Does your word match this word? Great work. Last one. Lip. 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 Point to the word on the screen that matches the word that you wrote down. Lip. Great work today. This week, we've learned so much about punctuation marks. So we're going to see what we know. Are you ready? Before we move to our sentences, let's practice all of our punctuation marks. Your teacher's going to pause the video, and you guys are going to practice writing periods, question marks, and exclamation points. Let's get started. In a moment, your teacher's going to pause the video, and you guys need to decide what goes at the end. You're going to see a sentence, and you're going to choose, is it a question mark, a period, or an exclamation point? Are you ready? What goes at the end? Can you help me find her? Your teacher's going to pause the video. Can you help me find her? That sounds like we're asking a question. Remember, sometimes questions can also start with the word can. Can you help me find her? That means we need a question mark. Let's try this one. What goes at the end? Are you a plumber? I'm asking someone if they're a plumber. That means I'm asking a question. We're going to choose question mark. What goes at the end? Do not fight. Do not fight. That's a very urgent statement that I'm saying. I want to make sure people are not fighting. And I do it with excitement and urgency. So I would use an exclamation mark. Let's try this one. I want to play again. I'm just telling something. I want to play again. Let's try this one. Can you help me find it? Again, I'm asking a question, and that means I need a question mark. What goes at the end of this sentence? I want to eat lunch. I'm telling something. I'm telling you I want to eat lunch, and we know we use a period when we're telling something. Let's try this one. Hurry up. I heard urgency in my voice, and I know we use an exclamation mark when we are showing urgency. Stop yelling. Again, urgent, exclamation point. Let's try this one. She can play outside. I'm telling you she can play outside, which means I would use a period. Try this one. He can play at recess. I'm telling you he can play at recess, and that means it's a period. We worked so hard with punctuation marks this week, learning about periods, question marks, and exclamation points. Great work, hipsters. Tap and write time, so make sure you have something to write on and something to write with. I'm going to say the word, and your teacher is going to pause the video, and you guys are going to tap the word out and write it. Here we go. Here's your first word. Slop. Slop. Let's tap it out. S-l-a-p. One more time. S-l-a-p. Slop. How many sounds did you hear? 4. We heard 4 sounds. Let's see how we spell it. S-l-a-p. S-L-O-P. Slop. Next word. Cam. Cam. Let's tap it out. K-am. K-am. Cam. K-am. Do you remember why we wrote a C? Right, we learned when we hear that A sound, it'll always be a C. It'll always be a C. K-am. Last word. The last word is hem. 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 H-E-M. Hem. It's time to go to Seesaw. Today, you are going to be looking at sentences and deciding, are we asking a question? Are we telling something? Are we saying something with urgency? You'll also play listen, tap, and write. Until next time, bye, Kipsters.